How to download and install Google Chrome on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a new laptop or a new PC, or if you have resetted your PC and not sure how to download Google Chrome, you're going to have to follow these simple steps. So usually when people have new PC, there is only one browser available to them, that is Microsoft Edge. So you're just going to have to open up Microsoft Edge. And then on the search bar, you can just go ahead and simply search for Chrome download. And once you have searched for Chrome download, hit enter, and it will give you the first link, Google Chrome download. Go ahead and open up this link. Now you're going to have to download an installation file first. So click on this download Chrome button, and the installation file will be downloaded. All you have to do now is tap on open file and then run it. Tap on yes. Now the Chrome will be downloaded on your device. I already have Google Chrome, so I don't need to do this. I'm just going to cancel the installation for now. But once you have downloaded your Chrome, it should look something like this. You can simply go ahead and log in with your Google account here, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.